Welcome to Shanti-Peace for Mathematics. In this video, we'll discuss a nth derivative of some trigonometric functions. So let us recall what are the formulas which involves the trigonometric functions into the successive derivatives. So the first formula that we have, if y is equal to sine ax plus b, then yn is a power n sine ax plus b plus n by 2. Another formula that we have discussed, if it is instead of sine, if you have a cos, then here also we have a cos. The next formula that we have seen, it is if it is a power ax into sine ax plus b, which involves the product of exponential function as well as the trigonometric function, then yn is a power n, not a power n, but it has to be r power n e power ax sine ax plus b plus n phi, where r is the square root of a square plus b square and phi is tan inverse of b upon a. Now using this formula, that means instead of sine, if we have a cos, then also we have a cos. We will solve certain examples in this video lecture. Let us discuss the first example, that is y equal to sine 4x into sine 2x. The question is to calculate what is yn. The question is what is the value of yn, that is the nth derivative of y. As we know that a trigonometric identities which you can have, it is sine a into cos b, 2 times this will be a sine a plus b plus sine a minus b. So using this trigonometric identity, if I want to use to calculate the nth derivative, because we know that we have only this formula is there and there is no formula of the product of two trigonometric functions. So we have to separate that into this manner. So if I apply that one by multiplying and dividing 2 here, this one leads to sine 4x plus 2x will be 6x plus sine 4x minus 2x will be 2x. So now I am able to apply the trigonometric, apply the nth derivative here, because the derivative is a linear function, because we know that the derivative of f plus g we can write as derivative of f plus derivative of g, and same thing we can do for the nth derivative. So that's why the taking the nth derivative both side, we get yn is 1 by 2. So nth derivative of sine 6x. So if you compare with this formula ax plus b, a is 6, b is 0. So we can say that it is 6 power n sine 6x plus n pi by 2. Plus here a is 2, so it is 2 power n sine 2x plus n pi by 2. This will be the nth derivative of the function y we have. Let us take one more example. Before that, let us make a remark here. Instead of this sine and cos, any of this value of the type AB is given. You can able to do that. And there are such four identities are there. Let me recall that four identities. Sine A into cos B is sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. The another is sine cos A sine B, that is sine A plus B minus sine A minus B, that is cos A cos B will be cos A plus B plus cos A minus B, and 2 sine A sine B, but it is of minus, that is cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. So these four identities, trigonometric identities are there, and into this you can just looking at this function, that is sine 4x cos 2x. Instead of that, any of the value of A and B is given. Now I think so you are able to solve the nth derivative of any such function is in front of you. Now let us take the next example as y is equal to cos power 4x. Then question is, what is yn? Nth derivative of cos power 4x. So as we know that cos power 4 we can write as cos square whole square. And cos square, as per the identity of cos theta, that is cos 2 theta, we can say it is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. So as per this, we can write down this is as 1 plus cos 2 theta or 2x by 2 whole square. And if I do the square of this, 1 by 4 is constant which I can take out. It is 1 plus 2 cos 2x plus cos square 2x. Again, I cannot able to take the derivative of cos square. I can take able to derivative of 1 cos but cannot with the cos square. So you have to further simplify cos square into the linear function of cos. So that is 1 by 4, 1 plus 2 cos 2x. When I say linear function of cos means the power will be 1. I need to find out, or I need to convert this expression into a cos which having the 1 power. Here we can say it is cos square. So again using the same thing we can say it is cos. Here instead of theta we have 2x, so it is 4 theta. So it is 4x upon 2. And if you further simplify this, we can have it is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 cos 2x plus 1 by 8 cos 4x plus 1 by 2. Now this 1 by 4 plus, 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8, because it is 1 by 2 plus into 1 by 4. Now this 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 will gives you 3 by 8. So finally y is equal to, we have 3 by 8 plus 1 by 2 cos 2x, because you can see that it is cos 2x, and 1 by 8 cos 4x. Now taking the nth derivative both sides, we get yn. The first derivative of 3 by 8 we know it is 0, so for all further derivative will become 0, so it is 0 plus 1 by 2 as it is. Now we know that the derivative of cos ax plus b, a is 2 here, so it is 2 power n cos 2x plus n pi by 2 plus 1 by 4 is a constant. A derivative of cos 4x is 4 power n because a is 4 here. Cos 4x plus n pi by 2. So finally the answer is 2 power n minus 1 cos 2x plus n pi by 2 plus 4 power n minus 1. So I think so previously it was 8 here, so it has to be 8 here. So please make this is correction. Here it was 8. So it is 4 minus 1 by 2 cos 4x plus n pi by 2. For any n belongs to n, this is the answer. Let us solve further more couple of examples. Y equal to e power x sine 4x. The question is to calculate what is yn, nth derivative of x. Again, this is e power 4x. We have a formula of e power x into sine x or sine ax plus b. But here it is this form. So we have to simplify this, what is to be happen or what we can do for sine raised to 4x. So that again we have did as the previous example, that we can say that it is sine square x upon whole square, and using the formula of sine square trigonometric identity which says that 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. Using that we can say it is 1 minus cos 2x upon 2 whole square. So if you simplify this one, 1 by 4 is common, 1 minus 2x, 2 cos 2x plus cos square 2x. Again using the formula of cos square 2x, it is e power x upon 4, 1 minus 2 cos 2x plus 1 plus cos 4x upon 2. Because here theta, because we have a formula of cos square x is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Here x is 2x, so that's why it is 4x. And if you further simplify this, we will have it is e power 1 by 4 e power x. This is your y. Then it is minus e power x cos 2x upon 2. That is this, because 2 will be cancelled. This is e power x upon 1 by 2. So it is plus e power x upon 2. 1 by 4 is multiplied, so it is 1 by 8. Then it is e power x into cos 4x upon 8. And if you add this two, then you will have 3 by 8 e power x minus 1 by 2 e power x cos 2x plus 1 by 8 e power x cos 4x. This is y. Now taking the nth derivative, both sides, let us see what we get. The nth derivative of this is 3 by 8 is a constant. Derivative of e power x, is it e power x itself? So any derivative of e power x is itself, so it is the e power x as it is. And let us recall the formula of y equal to e power ax into sine bx plus c. The nth derivative of this quantity is r raised to n e power ax sine bx plus c plus n pi by n phi, where this r, value of r is square root of a square plus b square, and the value of phi is tan inverse of b by a. If it is cos here, then we'll have cos here. And you can see that in this we have e power x cos 2x. So the formula for that we have to apply. Here a equal to 1 and b equal to 2 we have into this formula. So it will be minus 1 by 2 e power x as it is, which we have here, a is 1. Now r, which is a square plus b square, so it is 1 square, which is 1 plus b square. The b, the value of b is 2, so it is 4 raised to n by 2, because r is square root of a square plus b square raised to n is there. So it is n by 2. Sine bx plus c, the b is here 2x, but it is not sine, but it is a cos. So it is cos 2x plus n phi, the value of phi is tan inverse of b by a. b is 2, a is 1, so it is into tan inverse of 2. The next term is plus 1 by 8 e power x is as it is, and then it is a square plus b square. Let us see what will be the a here and b here. The value of a is 1 and the b will be 4. So a square is 1, b square is 16. So a square plus b square will be 17. So you will have plus 17 raised to n by 2 cos 4, because b is 4, x plus n tan inverse of b is 4, a is 1, so it is 4 by 1, so it is 4. This will be the nth derivative of the function y, which we have given, which is e power x sine raised to 4x. Let us do one more example which involves the trigonometric function. Let us have this y equal to e power 2x sine x into cos square x. Again here it is a product of three functions are there, but we don't learn yet what will be the formula for product of three functions. So what you do to calculate the nth derivative of this, first of all you have to find out this is the power of x. So you have to find out the formula which reduce this power. So that we have, it is cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. So using this, it is e power 2x sine x into 1 plus cos 2x by 2. And if you simplify this, this will gives me 1 by 2 e power 2x sine x plus 1 by 2 e power 2x into sine x into cos 2x. Now this I can able to integrate, differentiate n times, but there is a difficulty for this one. So to do this one, we again factor into the form using the formula of cos a into sine b, as we have discussed earlier. That is sine a plus b minus sine a minus b. So using that, this one we can write as it is 2x sine x plus 1 by 2 e power 2x is there. Using this formula, so I have to multiply 2 and divide 2, so it will become 4. And cos I am writing first, so it is a is 2x plus x, that is 3x, so it is sine 3x minus sine 2x minus x, so it is x. So finally it will leads to e power 2x sin x plus 1 by 4 e power 2x into sin 3x minus 1 by 4 e power 2x into sin x. And this 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 will leads to 1 by 4. So finally what we got, it is y equal to 1 by 4 e power 2x sin x plus 1 by 4 e power 2x sin 3x. You can see that. Now taking the nth derivative, both sides, we get yn. That is 1 by 4 is a constant, and you can see that we will use this formula of e power ax into sin bx. So let us see what is a is given. Here the value of a is 2 and the value of b is 1. So as per the formula, e power 2x is there, then it is r power n, but r is a square plus b square, so it is 1 square plus 2 square, that will be 4, and which will gives you 5 raised to n by 2 sin x plus tan inverse of a is 2, b is 1, so it is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 e power 2x r. Here a is the value of a, here it is 2, b is 3. So it is 4 square plus 3 square, that is 9. So altogether it is 9 plus 4 will gives you 13. So you will have 13 raised to n by 2 sin 3x plus tan inverse of a is 2, b is 3, so it is 3 by 2 is the final answer for the nth derivative of the given function, which we have here, e power 2x sin cos square x. That's it for this video. If you like this video, please press the like button. If you have any comment, suggestion or a question, please drop down in the comment box below. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye, sayonara, be happy, stay safe.